gentlemen, welcome, boys and girls, to the Elite Model Look World Final 2019! It's starting now. You are in the World Final. You are the national winner, representing your country. So my first message is enjoy this experience. It's a huge pleasure to be here with you, and I hope you can enjoy the next day so much as our team will do. Thank you so much and welcome, okay? Thank you. Hey guys, my name is Ruben. I'm from Portugal. I started my model career back in 2005 with Elite Model Look, and I am the mentor and the coach since 2014. Today it's bootcamp day 1, so this is like going to school, you know, first day. You feel a little bit anxious, you are a little bit nervous. You keep moving from one station to another station. You do the Polaroids, video, pictures, fittings, measurements, and of course also the catwalk lessons where I am the coach alongside with Eliska that is teaching the girls.
I am Gregory Littley. I'm the VP of Content Strategy. Today, what I've been focusing on is helping lead some of the boot camps, the master classes that we're providing some of our digital creators that are also contestants. What I think is most compelling and important and what we're really trying to give is to really set them up to be as successful as possible in this kind of new age of modeling. Social platforms that really anyone can take advantage of, and the amount of work you put into it is what you really get out of that.
For the very first time, we have digital creators with us. So as a model, if you have a strong social media, for sure, you have more chances to work as a model. Social media is very democratic, so you have a voice in the world. You can comment pictures, you can like pictures, and you can post on your feed, on your story, to show who you are, what are you doing, where are you, what you like, what you don't like. This business and fashion business wants to know who you are. All the models, they are tall, beautiful, blah, 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 but the thing is, who are you? What's your personality? Show me your charisma, show me your attitude. So social media, it's a way to show the world, who are you?
Hi, my name is Eliska. I'm from Czech Republic and I'm here as the model coach for the girls. It has been my second time taking care of the World Final, and I must say I'm really enjoying it. It's a beautiful work, seeing all these beautiful people around. They need to practice, actually. They need to get into the shoes because most of them, it's the first time they are doing this, and they have to get used to the high heels. Specific thing would be always to stand straight with your shoulders back, then to put the energy into walk as well and feel natural. So it's really about to feel good, to feel relaxed. Walk straight and be happy.
So now how to walk. First thing, your back, okay? So watch out, you don't do this or this. You just relax, you put your shoulders on the right position before you walk. Then the second thing is your rhythm. You cannot walk too fast and you cannot go too slow. So you just keep the rhythm, 1, 2, 1, 2, and you feel the music, you feel the vibe. Third thing, the look, okay? You don't look down, you don't look up, you look straight in the level of your eyes. Fourth thing, your arms. Your arms, they have to move. Walking on a catwalk, it has to look natural. You can do everything correct, but the most important is deep inside you, is your confidence, it's your energy. It's, do you really want to do this? Do you really want to win? Do you really want to be a model?
Hi everyone, my name is Massimo Morello and I'm the hair director for the Kevin Murphy team, looking after the hair for all the models at the Elite World Final 2019. We try to really focus on getting the hair well protected before we use any hot tools. So our best friend backstage is called heater defense. It's a mousse that is basically dry immediately, and you can apply it like straight before every use, and then just use your curling iron or straightening iron as you wish. The hair should look effortless. So sometimes the word natural has been overused, because doing natural hair, it is actually pretty hard, because you have to make consistency on all the girls, and all the girls, they have different texture, different length, different hair type. So the big challenge here is to make that consistent. What is really, really good is the partnership between Elite model Luke and Kevin Murphy, alongside with Roventa, which is the tools that we are using in the backstage. We've been the official hair sponsor for the last 3 years, and we are really looking forward for more and more years to come. Winning team, we don't change, right? So the boys and the girls are getting ready. We are all very excited. They are really, really excited too. So very looking forward to see you all on the catwalk. Good luck, everyone.
Hi, my name is Cosette Brinab. I'm from New York City and I'm a TikTok creator. TikTok is essentially a short-form video platform which has all different styles of content, from comedy, lifestyle, dance, singing, anything that you could think of, TikTok has it. I primarily create lifestyle and comedy videos on TikTok, and that's just what I found I enjoy the most.
I use TikTok for social commentary, comedy purposes, and lifestyle. EML has been extremely helpful in my TikTok career. We learned so much about how to grow our accounts and just how to be more personable with our fans, and it's just been an amazing time. I love it here.
I just started using TikTok a few days ago, and I like it because it doesn't prioritize like information based on following. It prioritizes it based on quality content that people want to watch. This app is completely different to the other apps that I've used. Like, this one is like such a focus on content specifically. It's a place to be loose, be fun, be authentic, and that's why I'm going to continue to use TikTok.
We're in Paris and we're so excited to be teaching these amazing models to transfer their current audience and fan base onto a new existing audience on TikTok.
I would say that working as a model, you have to think in 3 different areas, you know. So you have the catwalk, you have the pictures, and you might have the videos. So you need to work on these like 3 different subjects. So regarding the pictures, they're super important. I mean, you are a model, so you might shoot like editorials, campaigns, catalogs. In the same position, you can do like so many different pictures. For example, you start like this, right? Okay, so you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the same position, if you change where you are looking, you are giving different pictures, right? So now you change to another position and you do the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you jump, you smile, you do whatever you do. Final tip. The most important in 100 pictures is to have one that looks amazing. I rather prefer to have 99 not so good and 1 amazing.
This is it. The big moment arrived. The world final is just about to begin. I just want to let you know that I'm so proud of what we achieved together so far. And no matter what happens inside that catwalk, I'm so happy to be part of this beautiful project. The only thing I can say is good luck, be yourself, and give your best. Rehearsal is done. You all look so amazing. Everything was perfect and you did the right thing. So now I just want you to relax, to take a deep breath, to be yourself, to give your best on the catwalk, and the most important thing, to enjoy. The world final is not coming back in your life. This is it. So enjoy, be yourself, and good luck to all.